Okay, guys, there is this one last thing I want to share with you. I think that is creating a copy of whatever ALS will be sharing with you. So, for example, you might decide not to watch this video because they have provided a script in the video for you. So everything down is saying in the video, you can download it from here. So let's say, assuming I click on this download, ALS will ask me to make a copy of this document, this Google Doc. So you don't see how important Google document is, because everything you are going to do in ALS, almost everything is going to be done with Google Sheet, Google document. So to create a copy of this, all I need to do is to click on make copy. So once I make copy, this copy will now be made in my name. I mean, when I say in my name, I mean in my email. So you can see my name over there, Bennett, my Gmail account. So now what it means is that I now have this copy, the copy of what Danfe has said in the whole video. I now have it directly in my Google Drive. So I can access this anytime I want. Now, let's say whatever this information or whatever this particular file is not at a location which I want, I can move it. All I need to do is to come to the top over here. You click on this icon over here, which says moves. I want to move it to the location I want. So all I need to do is to click on the move. So when I click on the move, it will load all the locations that are on my Google Drive. I want to move it to ALS folder. So I'll just click on ALS and then move it to the ALS folder. So now I have the transcript, everything that he said in the video, I have it in my Google Drive and I have moved it to my location of choice. So if I want to name this equally, I can just come over here and name it. But I think this naming convention is okay for me. So guys, I think this one is also just something just to guide you on your journey into this AI career essentials. Thank you very much, guys.